So I'm just off to the post office now. Just got a notification that I have a package waiting, and I get a few packages every single week. Bit of a habit of buying books and technology and different things. And this one, I didn't know who it was from or where. Just put the tracking number in, and I think after putting the tracking number in, I know exactly what it is, and I can't wait to share it with you. It's very exciting. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here.
Your locker is to the left. Please collect your parcel.
What have we got?
Close the door.
All right, so we are back, and inside of this package, I believe, there's a little thing called a Raspberry Pi 4. Now, if you don't know what that is, then you would have been like me 1 week ago when I didn't exactly know what a Raspberry Pi was. But as I pull it out, it's a full kit too. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. Starter kit for Raspberry Pi 4. Now what this is it's a miniature computer. As you can see, it's quite small, and inside of this device is going to be able to power, not to a major degree where you can start playing large games, but it actually does have quite a bit of processing power inside a very small unit, and you'll see when I get it out, but basically it's probably going to be about the size of a hard drive, which is absolutely phenomenal, and it can run various applications. And so the reason why I bought this is I really love experimenting with coding and understanding how the back end of programs work, how to make things display a certain way, how to achieve an outcome through using and building applications that really help. And so from all recommendations, a really good starting point is by using and getting used to using one of these devices. They're extremely portable and they're able to run basic programs quite easily. And so I'm going to get this set up. I'm going to show you and take you through the entire process. Just to get this bad boy out. This is Model B, 4 gigabytes of RAM, Raspberry 4 Pi computer. And what else we got in here? Quick start guide. Now, as a man, I will not be reading that, but I actually probably will because I'm still very much a beginner in this area. What else we got in here? Now got the goodies. Very important piece of cardboard, that. We've got a sleek case. This is seriously, so to give you an idea, I've got an iPhone 11, which is this big, and this is how big my computer is going to be right next to it. So as you can see, it is quite miniature. Inside this box, we've also got power. We've got what looks like a USB type charger, or plug into a keyboard, for example, because obviously there's no keyboard involved here. We've also got another cord, which looks exactly the same, which is cool. Look at this. I'll try and get out of the wrapper so you can actually see it with no glare. It's a miniature fan. So that's pretty cool. A Type-C card reader. Don't know what that is, I'll have to look it up. And then some pretty small but pretty heavy, like little metallic, brass kind of pieces there. Very important screwdriver. And oh wow, it comes with a 64 gigabyte. And look at the size of this. I was saying this to Liz last night. This, inside that, is a 64 gigabyte hard drive. Well, miniature hard drive, SD card, micro SD card to be super specific. It boggles my mind that something so small, I mean, I remember the days with 1.44 megabyte floppy disk, and this is a 65 gigabit card. That, look at the size difference. I mean, I should do the calculation. I can't do it in my head, but I'll put it up on the screen in a second. But the difference in size is just amazing. And in fact, they've actually brought out, and probably got higher, but what I saw was a 512 gigabyte, nearly half a terabyte of micro SD, which is just mind-boggling. So anyway, enough rambling. I'm gonna build this bad boy, and then we're gonna fire it up. So here's everything. Okay, so I needed a keyboard to run this bad boy. So now we can continue on the installation. I'm gonna power it up. Oh, we have lights. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lights. Will we have a screen? This is all happening, ladies and gentlemen. We are in business. We are running Raspberry Pi. Can you believe this little bad boy here is running this incredible? Look at the display.